Yo, what is going on, man? What is going on, man? This is your guy, as you know, the Forex Strategy Factory. This is the guy that always sit behind the screen giving you the signal you need to get. You know what I'm saying? Now, there's one question I want to answer. Only one question I want to answer. You know, when somebody he got to me and he told me that he said, hey, Corn. I say, yeah. He said, okay, that no matter how he tried, he just keeps losing in the Forex and losing in the Forex, losing in the Forex. You know, because he saw my results, so he became amazing. Like, what a surprise. How you doing it, Corn? So I said, okay, man, I'm going to address your question in a video, and I'm going to address your question now. You know, there are different reasons why you lose in Forex. Like maybe you're doing something which is not normal. So then it's very hard for you to figure out what you're doing wrong. You understand? The only reason you're going to be successful in Forex is, first of all, to do the right thing. And what do I mean? To learn the right thing. You know, when you learn the right thing, you will be doing the right thing. You understand? Now, you don't need to be scared to lose. You don't need to be scared to lose. When we talk about Forex, you know, it takes a kind of mindset, you know. It takes a mindset of a strong heart, okay? A strong heart that you know that, okay, this game I'm in, this is a business that has to do with money. And you know, whatever has to do with money, the mindset and the mentality of every one of us is, okay, let me be careful. Let me be careful. You know, let me be careful. You see? Wait. All right, man. All right, man. All right, man. This is your boy, Forex Strategy Factory. You know, because you said, let me be careful. Now, let me be careful. It really sounds so deep. Okay? When you come to Forex and you say, let me be careful. Now, let me be careful means a lot of things. Number one, it means deep down in your heart, you don't wanna trade Forex. You just came to try. This is why you came with the mindset of, let me be careful. So definitely, when you sit in front of your screen, being careful is the only thing that will be in your brain. Now, when you trade in that, you'll be careful. You cannot get a good result because you're careful. You will lose because you're careful. And you will never know the reason why you are losing because you are careful. But you come into a business with the mindset that, yes, I know it's money, man. No matter what, I'm going to win because I've prepared myself to win. Do you see what I mean? Preparation. I've prepared myself to win. Now, when you prepare yourself to win and you get in front of your screen, sitting down there, what you will be displaying is everything that will make you to go and win. Because the mindset you put in there is because you want to win. And you know what? You win because it is your mindset. You display your mindset behind the screen. Forex is not what you come into it with fear. The fear to lose. I mean, you cannot go into Forex with the fear to lose. If you're scared to lose, then you will be scared to take risk. And then you'll be scared to take action. And if care is not taken, you'll be scared to even push a button to enter a trade. I hope you're picking me, man. I said, one more reason why you lose it on this Forex thing is fear. When you put fear first, you came into a business, you put fear in front of you first. All right? You put fear in front of you. And you forgot, you're supposed to be doing a business that will liberate your life. But you have put fear first. And when you put fear first in Forex and you sit in front of your screen, the only thing you'll be displaying is fear. Fear is the only thing you will be displaying. There's no doubt about it. There's no shortcut. You cannot boycott it. Once you bring fear into it, then you allow fear to take control of you. Then when you get in front of your screen, the only thing you'll be displaying is fear. You know. But you go try it and come into Forex with the positive mindset of, yes, I have come to win. Yes, whatever I do, I have come to win. And I will not be afraid to press the trigger to make my entry active. And I will get out by winning that trade. When you get that kind of mindset, you have eliminated the mindset of fear. You know, you are in Forex because you came to take risk. You came to take risk. So, if you came to take risk, why should you exercise fear? You that exercise fear, you are not supposed to be taking risk. So when you don't want to take risk, you lose easy. There's nothing to say about it. Because you don't want to take risk, then you should be losing automatically. Now, let me tell you something. One big secret. It's a big secret that will overcome your fear. You know, your inability to take risk, your inability to have a positive mindset and say, yes, today I wake up, I want to trade today, I'm going to win. You say it. The reason why I woke up today is because I want to trade this Forex and I want to win. No. Watch what happens that day. You going to win. It's what you say to yourself is going to happen. Whatever you are saying to yourself is going to be what is going to be displaying in your life and everything you do in life. It affects your Forex, what you say. Now, the final answer to your question, why everything you do is wrong, is I said, maybe you have learned from the wrong person who have, maybe they taught you the wrong thing. So there's no way you're going to do the wrong thing and expect the right result. It's not possible. That's why you need to find a good mentor, a mentor. A mentor that knows the right thing, that has the right result, okay? These are the mentor you need to find. And then do what they say you should do. That is all. That is all. Nothing about it. So, I believe I have answered your question.